Are you struggling with cropping images when selecting from your photo library in Ionic? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue faced by many developers and exploring how to solve it. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you have the camera cropping feature but can't find a way to crop images from the gallery. This is a challenge many Ionic developers face. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, "Is there any solution for image cropping while choosing an image from the gallery?" They mentioned using the Cordova camera plugin, but found no cropping option for gallery images. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's the issue here? The Cordova camera plugin provides cropping for images taken directly with the camera, but it lacks this feature for images selected from the gallery. This can be a real hurdle for developers looking to maintain a consistent user experience. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear solution to implement image cropping from the gallery. And trust me, you won't want to miss it. To enable image cropping when selecting an image from the gallery, the user should first ensure that the Cordova crop plugin is properly installed in their Ionic project. Next, the user needs to modify the existing Choose Photo function to include the cropping functionality after selecting the image from the gallery. The user should also define the cropping options, such as the aspect ratio and target dimensions, to ensure the cropped image meets their requirements. Finally, the user can test the updated functionality by selecting an image from the gallery and verifying that the cropping feature works as expected. Fun fact, did you know that the first digital images were created in the 1950s? Just imagine how far we've come in image processing technology. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests that to access high-resolution images in iOS, you should set the target width and height to 2000. This adjustment has worked for them on both iOS and Android. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the Cordova camera plugin for image cropping. They recommend using the Get Picture method with specific options to allow editing and set the desired image quality and dimensions. They also mention that while this method has been tested for camera images, it hasn't been confirmed for gallery images. For more details, they recommend checking the Cordova documentation. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using the navigator.camera.getPicture method to select an image. They suggest setting the quality and destination type to file URI. Upon success, the image data is logged, and the crop plugin is called to crop the image. In the onSuccess function, the user logs the image data and uses the crop plugin to crop the image, setting the quality to 100. If the operation fails, an alert is shown with the error message. Here's a pro tip. Always test your image cropping feature on both Android and iOS devices to ensure a seamless user experience across platforms. And there you have it. You now have the tools to implement image cropping from the gallery in your Ionic app. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.